Hey, DOVAMAN sent me this cutoff tool for free, so I'm going to check it out and give you my thoughts. Let's check out everything that comes in the package. You get a really nice carrying bag here. You have a battery charger and a battery. What's pretty cool is this battery came pre-charged. There's also an indicator light here showing how much battery life you have left. This comes with 3 different blades depending on what you're cutting. Now I'll show you how easy it is to put a blade on. You're just going to take an Allen wrench here. There's a button on the top that locks your wheel in place. This is threaded clockwise, so to unloosen it, you're going to actually turn it right. But we're going to go ahead and take that right off. We'll slide our blade right in. And then we'll tighten our screw down. I'm going to actually tighten this left counterclockwise because it's opposite thread. All right, we got our blade installed. Make sure you tighten that down nice and tight so it doesn't vibrate loose. We'll go ahead and slide our battery on. There's a little safety trigger on both sides. Press that in. I like this LED light. This is going to help light up in dark areas. You can also change the direction of the blade. You can go forward or reverse. This has a brushless motor, which is going to prolong the life of this tool. And this thing turns 20,000 RPMs. I also like how this immediately stops when I pull off the trigger. This also comes with a nice adjustable guide. You can control the depth of your cuts, and you can kind of cut things a little bit more level with this. There's also a dust bag attachment. All right, we got the blade in the guide there. There's a little locking mechanism right there. Make sure that locks. And what's pretty cool is you can control your cutting depth here. There's some measurements here, so just line up to the depth that you're trying to cut. Tighten it right down, and that way you can control how deep this cuts. This does have the safety on the trigger, but when you're adjusting this or replacing your wheel, I would definitely take the battery off. All right, we're just gonna pack this up in the bag. We're gonna go to the garage and we're gonna do some cutting. So I have a piece of threaded rod here. We're just gonna demonstrate cut this down. What's really nice about this is you can change the direction of the blade. It can go forward or reverse. So right now, if I have it in reverse, where I'm standing right now, the metal shavings are flying towards me. I want to push the sparks this way, so we're going to flip it forward. So that made a really nice, quick, and easy cut. This is pretty clean, a little bit of burring, but I can just file that down. So once again, this is great for just having a portable tool, making quick cuts on metal. This is also great for cutting off the ends of bolts. We'll kind of use this bolt as an example. I want to just shave that down flat. So right now you can see the sparks are coming up. I want to direct them down. We'll switch the rotation. That literally took a couple seconds. Now I have a nice clean end on my bolt there. Now I'll kind of demonstrate the portability of this. I like that I can use one hand. So if I need to shave something down that's at a higher reach, I can easily use this tool. We'll also show you how it cuts through this type of metal right here. We're just gonna shave a little bit off to demonstrate. So this made quick work of cutting that steel. After completing those cuts, we still have 4 lights on our battery level, so I think this battery will last quite a while. This will also cut through tile and various other materials. You're just going to want to make sure you have the right cutting wheel for that. So I think this tool is great for cutting through various materials. For the cuts I just did, I kind of use like the all-purpose wheel. This also comes with a couple more heavy-duty wheels. It comes with a tile wheel and then a diamond cutting blade.